This is a short descriptive video for a SHG Siemens Hausgeräte Flip Alarm Clock, Klappzahlenwecker, what they would call it in German. It's a very basic design, very sleek lines. I quite like it actually. It's also the inside's very basic design, not extremely complicated to work on if you know what you're doing, of course. New cable, new plug, motor was lubricated, new light, and there you go. I'd say that should wake you up. It's in a very nice condition. What I like about the design is that it is you know, very basic lines, making it very shiny, very simple, maybe I should say, basic, simple, no fancy schmuck, no fancy glitter, nothing, just, and especially in the color black. It's just black on black with some white numbers. That's it. Very good condition. Let me just quickly show you the label. 220 volts, 50 hertz. That's it. Thank you for watching.